What's going on, traders? This is Nadex. I'm on a demo account right now, and I sold the yen right around here and this is how Nadex works. You got different expiry times. This specific one is 11 a.m. on the yen. And it stipulates that if the yen is greater than 98.24, this contract will expire at worth $100. If it's below, it'll expire at 0. Hence the binary option. I've been using different platforms, and now I'm on the Nadex, which is for US regulation. And it still works, and I'm going to still use my same risk management strategy. If I lose, risk a proportional amount more to take the profit. Now this position I'm in, I entered when the value was at 42. Here you can see average price 42, and I sold 3. So that means if the underlying asset end up below 98.24 by 11 a.m., which is 10 minutes from right now as I'm making this, then this is worth 0. Since I sold it at 42, I get all of that profit. So I get $42 times 3 equals my profit. Now you can see, since the yen sold off from that point, and I predicted that it would happen, that's why I did the trade, I'm going to make a good here, about $126 profit once this expires in 10 minutes. Now, once I go to my full live account, I'll be working with $1,000 to start off, probably, roughly. And from there, I'm going to go for 3.4% return per day. Now, with the way this is set up, it can be done easily, and it's actually, I feel like, it's gonna take, because it's an exchange, it's just more efficient, because you can close early, you can do all kinds of stuff, you can set up different structures. But at that rate, I'll be going, my first day I'll try to get $30 net profit. The next day I'll get, probably like $32, and I'm going to compound it and see if I can get the account as high as possible by the end of the year. Bills get paid, and I'm legal with in the US because this is all regulated through the CFTC, and everyone's happy. So this specific trade that we are in, it's got 9 minutes left, and it is in the money pretty well still as this goes down, and I'll bring you back when it expires in 8 minutes. And also, if you want to trade on the Nadex, tell them that you were sent by Smart Helping. Now, I also want to mention another thing that you can do. See how the value now it's already all the way down to 4? You could buy. If you think this is going to, in the next 6 minutes, go up above our strike of 98.24, you could buy however many you want at like around between 4 and there's not even a bid because it's so far out of the money. But your max risk would only be $4. If it does pop up in the next couple of minutes up above this price, you would make the difference between 100 and 4, which is $96. Now say you bought 3 of them, that'd give you a $300 profit for only $12 of risk. But the price would have to fly up here, which is pretty risky. So it's not likely that's going to happen. But and you can structure it. Sometimes maybe it is close, and this is up to like $20 or $30. You buy a couple at 20, goes up to maybe, if it expires and goes past the strike, and you bought it at 20 and it expires at 100, you just made your $60 profit times however many you bought. And you could buy, I think, up to thousands. I'm not positive yet, but on this trade we're up $114 profit here. risk of 126, or actually our risk, if this expired in the money, we would lose about 180, but it's in the money because I thought it was going down, and it did, and we'll make our profit about 120. There's still 5 minutes left though, so anything could happen. Alright, and we are expired, so I'm not exactly sure how this works. Since I sold 40 at 42, and now that it expired out of the money, I should get that full premium back times 3 because I had the position I had 3 on. So let's see here how it works. Oh, well, there, it just came right into the account. So I started this account, the demo, last night, and I've just been kind of messing around, just putting on random trades, just trying to see how it works. And I started at 25,000, but I've only been using $1,000 worth of risk max. I think I've only used up to like 500, and I'm at plus 149.80. Now this, and that's like not even trying, and I've made a $149 profit. So once I get the live account in here, this is going to be really exciting to see what it can do, because I mean, it's just like, I feel like the regular spot option brokers for binary options are like boot camps for this, and then when you get to this, it's like a lot easier if you can predict the price movement. I mean, I've been looking at this chart every day for 4 months now, so I've gotten a pretty good handle on it. And guess what? Nadex could care less if I lose or make money. They're just the exchange. So this is nice. Again, if you want to trade with Nadex and you're a US resident, go ahead and make an account, nadex.com and nadex.com, and tell them you were sent by Smart Helping.